Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark. It's Ever Forward for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again here today, running on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. I decided to test this game out because I said, it's new, flashy. I believe I've seen this before on some other console, but nonetheless, it's on the Nintendo Switch and it runs day one once again. So I had to update my keys last video, as I said, with the Yu-Gi-Oh one, just to get these games to even run, because apparently they needed new keys for this crap. But yeah, here we are, and the game does run on this system. I have no idea what this game's about. I have no clue. But we're gonna test it out and have some fun with it. It does seem to be building a lot of shaders. It's a bit more open, as you can see. There's a lot more nothingness, to be honest with you. I'm kind of shocked that it's actually putting up this much effort. But we can play it over to 60 FPS, so I mean that's a plus. It doesn't cap at 30. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Stick around for more epic content. A lot of videos will be coming out today on different types of content, integrated graphics as well. It's gonna be a fun day. Oh, where did I go now? I feel like I just teleported to somewhere and I have no idea what's going on. I feel like someone should explain something to me. No? That's cool. Now, like I said, this is the first time I'm launching the game, so there will be a bunch of building of shaders. So you will see a bunch of sticks and stutters every once in a while because of it. Can I jump? What was that jump, little girl? That was kind of stuck. That was kind of poor. Around the boat. Oh, I'm not supposed to go to them. Oh, my bad. I wish you told me that beforehand. So now it's stealth. What's going on here? It's stealth all of a sudden. Dude, X and Y confuse me so much on the Nintendo Switch. It's not even funny. Okay, I just need you to... Yeah, buddy. Yeah, boy. X and Y confuse me so much on the Nintendo Switch. You wanna do anything? Oh geez, what's with you and jumping? Well, this is life, I guess. What? Do I put a block here as well? Are you not there properly? No, you're definitely there properly. So it's like a puzzle game. Okay, that's fair. It's a puzzle game, basically. I guess, but people were trying something new, I guess. She's a bit weird, not to my taste, but hey. I'll still benchmark it anyway. Oh crap, that's not good. I get cash. The way she's moving way too slow. Oh crap. Now she's moving way too slow over there. Actually, no, maybe I can. Seriously? The thing is, it reset the one on the platform I had before as well. Boy, this is about to be a short video. I am losing a lot of frame rate though. The frame rate ain't playing around, man. Oh, there's only one block, so I can only take up one block. But that just makes it even more confusing, to be honest. Unless, oh, I see. I'm supposed to take up this block and then run with it. Got 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 it. That's someone using that old noggin there.
Maya, it's time to wake up.
We have voice acting in this game. It's strange because the way this game is playing is pretty abysmal with the shaders. Like, it's really loading in these shaders, man.
Maya, I fixed your swing.
Like, I feel like this is one of the most, you know, the frame rate's all over the place. It doesn't normally happen for Nintendo Switch games. They're more concise for the most part. This one's just all over the place, and I don't think this is as powerful as some of the other games I've played.
No one can stop.
Wash your face first.
Queen of the swings. Queen of...
But yeah, we are playing on the
Who
default
was he?
settings once
From
again,
National
because I
Science
normally
Lab.
just test it out. I do everything else later on down. The whole point is to show that it runs in the first place. That's literally the
Hello?
point of the channel.
Ah. All right. All right, I see. I'll come in. Yes. See you later.
I think she gotta go to work.
Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I have to go to work.
I know.
Be good. I know you'll be okay without me. Oh, and you can play on the swings after you've washed your face.